Hey VW Lifers, we're here today. We've been on an adventure today, Matt Jackson, and we just want to tell you guys, hey, we know and understand that our nation and the whole world's under a little bit of stress right now. So what we're hoping that we can do here at VW Life is get you guys out in the shop, in the garage, work on your Volkswagen. Try to put this stuff behind you, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, stay home, stay in the garage is what I would say.
Yeah, you know, I mean, it's a tough time for us, and it's times that none of us have ever felt, you know, and so you just take care of your families, take care of yourself, work on your Volkswagen, and if you get tired doing that, click on, watch some old VW Lives, man, because we're here for you guys. We're gonna keep making videos
as much as we can.
We are. We're gonna keep doing it, man. We picked up this little jewel today, and we got some more stuff in the pipe right now. So we're being smart. We just want to let y'all know that when we're out and about like today, we're being as smart as we can be. But we want you guys to be smart too.
Yeah, that's right. So we're just saying a little update from VW Life.
Yep. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing, and hang in there, man. VW Lifers, we're all in this together.
Let's get through it.